everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a very well sought after Korean cleanser. It's the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. You probably have seen this one everywhere because it's that popular. And what I love about the packaging is it's just very no nonsense. So this gel cleanser is formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. So what does low pH mean? Like, how does that even work? Good thing I looked it up. So basically our skin is actually quite acidic. It sits on the pH level of 4 to 5. A lot of cleansers out there on the market are actually alkaline cleansers. So you're looking at pH level of 7 to 12. And what that means is the aim of those cleansers are to get rid of grime, oils and dirt. So that's why once you use them, you get this really tight feeling on your skin, like someone's pulling your skin back and it feels a bit dry. Whereas this one has a pH level that is quite close to the pH level of our skin. So it's around 5 to 6. And that's why it says it gives you that really supple skin without the stripping feeling. Okay, don't be fooled by the name. Just because it says good morning doesn't mean that you can't use it at night. Don't worry, you won't turn into an animal if you use this at nighttime. So this is how I use it. I squeeze a small amount of the cleanser into my hand and I just rub my hands together to form it up. And you can see that even though it's gel, it actually lathers really nicely. And then just gently massage the cleanser onto your face and just avoid the sensitive areas, your eyes, and then just rinse it with warm water and voila. So the three things that I really love about this cleanser are it's really affordable. You can actually buy this for as low as $18 on Nudie-Glow. That's one of the reasons why I keep going back to this cleanser again. So this is probably my 4th bottle and I'm already like 80% through this one and I need to get new bottles. So as you can see, this is one of my favorite cleansers of all time. The second thing is it actually lathers really well despite the fact that it's a gel cleanser. Obviously it is not as foamy as a foam cleanser, but those are the ones that will give you that drying, unpleasant feeling on your skin. The third one is it is not harsh on my skin at all. It's quite gentle. I love how soft my skin is after using this. Let's talk about the 3 bad things that I don't like about this cleanser. First one is it actually doesn't remove my mascara. So try to use this as your second step in the cleansing routine. Your first step should always be an oil-based cleanser like a vanilla cleansing balm, and then use this one as your second step. I guess the second one is more of a personal preference because it smells really medicinal. It has a very strong tea tree smell, and tea tree is on the ingredient list. It has antibacterial properties. It stops you from breaking out. But if you really don't like that smell, then you probably wouldn't like this cleanser. The third thing is there's something in this cleanser that doesn't sit well with my nose. When I accidentally had this cleanser in my nose and I was just sneezing like crazy. But if you just avoid your nose area, it's fine. So out of 10, I still give this cleanser a 10 because it does actually achieve what it claims to do. I do feel like it softens my skin. It feels clean without being too harsh. And yeah, so out of 10, I give it 10. And I definitely recommend that you give it a go if you have sensitive skin. But talking about sensitive skin, if your skin gets irritated really easily, I'm talking about those of you that gets red at a lot of skin products out there, then don't use this one, because when I was looking at reviews, a lot of people with really sensitive and irritable skin said it actually makes their skin more red and breaks them out. And I think perhaps it's because of some of the chemical exfoliants in here, so just watch out for that. But other than that, it's a really good no-nonsense cleanser that I recommend you give it a go. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!